Hi, my name is Jessica, and on behalf of Expert Village, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a hemp necklace. Okay, so when you're stitching the spiral stitch necklace, it's going to be a little bit different determining where you left off and what side you need to be on, because as you can see, it's twirled, so you're not going to know where the front is, because there is no front because it's circular. So what you're going to always do basically is just follow the curve around where you left off, and you can see that this one's going back and this one's going forward, and so that's where you're going to start, and you're just going to do the left stitch again. So you just want to follow that curve around, and whichever one is going back, that's the one you want to do. And if you if you mix up and you do the wrong side, you'll be able to tell immediately, because it's not gonna follow this curve, and so you can just undo that stitch and start on the other side in case you do mess up. So it's really, I mean, it's nice to not have to do that, but if you do it, don't worry about it, and you can always just take that stitch out and start over again.